Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, let's take a look at the way that you fix the WhatsApp account permanently banned. If you're currently facing this issue with your WhatsApp account, in this video, let me show you a couple of things that you can try out in order to solve this issue. Now remember that this type of issue happens only after you violated some sort of community guidelines terms of service inside of WhatsApp. So the first way that you can fix this issue is whenever you open up the app of WhatsApp, if you do see something like this, you can just easily tap on the option which says check review status. From there, you'll be taken to a page where you'll need to appeal your ban. But however, if you do not see something like this, whenever you open up WhatsApp, then what you need to do is open up a web browser and just search for WhatsApp contact. As soon as you do that, you need to head over to the first link which says contact WhatsApp. And then again, the first link you'll see right here, it says contact us. You can just tap on this link and a new form will open up. Now this is the exact form that you need to fill in. So select your country code, add in your phone number, add in your email address where WhatsApp can actually contact you. You'll again need to confirm it. And also you'll need to tell WhatsApp which is the device that you frequently use in order to use WhatsApp. Lastly, you'll need to also enter in a message. So in this message, make sure you are polite and explain all of the reasons or all of the issues that you are currently facing. Once you fill in all of this information, you can just click on the next step option and then submit this form. As I said earlier, these sort of issues happen mostly only because you violated some sort of community guidelines. Now you should be able to get a reply from WhatsApp in your email within 48 hours. And if you do get your appeal rejected, you won't be able to do anything about it. And you'll just need to register a WhatsApp account using a new phone number. Only after your appeal is accepted, you'll be able to use WhatsApp normally from your previous phone number. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.